Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be using the staking settings within Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android to change the way I denote my staked points. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got a project open and I'm going to head to my settings option, the second on the left here, and then I'm going to select staking from my menu and I'm going to get my options here. So you can see that I've got a horizontal tolerance of 0.1 meters. I'm going to leave that as is for now because for what I want to do in this video, I want to be changing how I name my staked points. So by default, it's staked point and staked iteration, which is going to give me this 1_1_1. So you can see here in my preview, I've got that there. But if I click that drop down here, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change it to design point and suffix. And what that allows me to do is it allows me to add a text character suffix to my point ID. So if in this case, if I staked point 200, it would have 200_STK. And you can see in the preview, I have that 1_ staked. And what I can also do is I can do a design point and prefix if I select that from my menu here. And now that adds that STKD tag in front of my point ID that I've staked. For an additive value, what that will do is it adds a numeric value to my stake points. So if I want to add 100 to my point ID, it will go 100 plus my point ID. In this case, if you look in the preview, it's 100 plus 1, my design point and staked iteration, I already previously described. And the next available point name will be what is the next available point when I am staking. So if my last point that I shot was 200, my next stake point will be 200. And that is everything for today's video. That's how you use the staked point name method to change the way you denote stake points in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.